Ever you wonder why some channels seem to hit the jackpot with every video, while others struggle to get a few hundred? You know, those creators who rack up views in the millions? It's like they've got a secret formula or a magic wand, right? Well, what if I told you there is a method to the madness? And it's a very simple process that you can start using today. That's right, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to find viral video ideas for YouTube, even if you're just starting out. Let's jump into the viral world of video making for social media. Let's be real, coming up with video ideas that people actually want to watch can feel like trying to hit a moving target, especially with YouTube's ever-changing algorithms. It's easy to feel stuck in a run, making content that doesn't quite get the traction you're hoping for. You spend hours on brainstorming, recording, and editing, only to watch your video get lost in the sea of millions of others. And if you're a small creator, that struggle can feel even more intense. You might be thinking, how am I supposed to compete with these big creators when you see these big creators that have it all figured out about the viral formulas? But here's the thing, finding viral video ideas isn't just about luck or having a massive following. It's about understanding what makes people click, what keeps them watching, and what gets them to share your content. And that's something you can learn. So whether you're new to YouTube or you've been grinding for a while with no big wins, this video is for you. Alright, now you can ask me, how do we find these viral video ideas? It all starts with researching the content. Now, I know what you're thinking, research sounds boring and it's not for me, or most favorite I can't do it. But I promise that if you stick with me end of this video, you will see the magic happens. Let's discuss and share with you 4 main steps you can follow up to find the secrets of viral videos. First, leverage trends. Leverage trends is the first step to tap into what's already popular, trends that are currently popular in social media. If you catch one of the trends early before it can take you places in social media, you are good to go. Websites like Google Trends, YouTube's trending page, and even social media platforms like Twitter and TikTok are gold mines for spotting what's hot right now. See what's capturing people's attention. But here's the secret sauce. Don't just hop on every single bandwagon. Find trends that intersect with your niche and put your unique twist on them. But here's the key. Don't just copy what's trending. Put your own unique spin on it. That's how you can stand out from the crowd in this competitive market. Second, analyze competitors. In competitors analysis, you need to look at what's working for other creators in your niche. Find channels that are similar to yours and pay attention to their most popular videos. What topics are they covering? What kind of thumbnails and titles are they using? Remember that you're not looking to copy them, but to understand what's resonating with their audience. This will give you a good idea of what might work for you. Third, engage with your audience. Your viewers are your biggest asset when it comes to finding viral video ideas. Ask them directly what they want to see, read through your comments, or even run polls. Sometimes the best ideas come straight from your audience. Plus, when viewers feel involved in the content creation process, they're more likely to share your videos, which is a win-win for you and for your viewers. Fourth, use tools and analytics. There are some fantastic tools out there that can help you find viral video ideas. Tools like TubeBuddy, vidIQ, and Morning Fame were the tools that allow you to analyze keyword popularity, your competition, and even suggest content ideas based on what's trending in your niche. YouTube's own analytics can also give you insights into what's working and what's not on your channel, so you can double down on successful content and tweak what isn't performing. Let's dive a little deeper into each of these strategies with some real-world examples and break down those steps with examples so that you can easily follow up and apply them to your channels. For the first, as we talked, leverage trends. Remember the 100 layers challenge? It started with one creator doing something crazy, like applying 100 layers of foundation, and it blew up. Soon everyone was putting their own twist on it and it became a viral trend. The key here is to keep an eye on emerging trends and think about how you can adapt them to fit your style and audience. Second, analyze competitors. Say you're a tech reviewer, take a look at other tech channels and note which of their videos are getting the most views. Are they focusing on certain types of products? Maybe their unboxing videos are going viral, or their comparisons between the two products are hitting the mark. Use this information to guide your content planning. For instance, if you notice that review videos on the latest smartphone are blowing up, you could create a top 5 features you didn't know about video for that phone. Watch out is the most viewed videos that your competitors are again and again. These data are most important when you are researching your content. Third, engage with your audience. PewDiePie, one of the biggest YouTubers out there, is known for interacting with his audience. He often asks his viewers what they want to see and even creates content based on their suggestions. For any top creators, they always ask their viewers what they want. You can follow those simple steps in the call to action. Simply ask them about their problem, what they expect from you, and what they want next. This not only helps you come up with fresh ideas, but also builds a stronger connection with your audience. Fourth, use tools and analytics. Let's talk about vidIQ, one of the tools I mentioned earlier. It has a feature called the Trending Keywords tool, which shows you what keywords are currently trending in your niche. This can be a game changer when you're brainstorming video ideas. For example, if you're in the fitness niche and you see that home workout is a trending keyword, You could create a video around that, like 10-minute home workout for busy professionals. So this is only one example. You can apply that same analysis for different health-related channel. If you use these tools correctly, you can find more different niche channel keywords, competitors, and video rank properties with these simple free-to-use tools. Now that you've got the blueprint for finding viral video ideas, it's time to put it into action. Start by picking one of the strategies that we talked about today and implement it in your next video. Remember, the key is consistency. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and most importantly, keep creating. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that like button. Subscribe for more tips like this and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below with your next viral video idea. Who knows, it might just be the inspiration someone else needs. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.